In this episode you will see 4 outfits that can inspire you for different events, and how with a simple hair accessory you can transform a normal hair look to a bridal one. I'm Alexandru Arambaș, I'm a hairdresser and Balmain hair couture educator. Last episode we talked about simplicity and about how this year is a year full of contrast. The technology is upgrading day by day, and because of that, the creativity is the best weapon for artists. I just create for you 4 looks that can inspire you for different events. 2 elegant outfits and 2 bridal. But also you will see how the makeup connect the hair and the dress in full harmony. The fashion designer is Natalia Vasiliev and the makeup artist is Mona Vidu. The first look is elegant, a couture hair look and an elegant dress that can make you shine. Let's see what I'm talking about. Leave me a comment with your opinion. If you would choose to wear this outfit, at what kind of event you would like to. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe. In all the times, the hair accessory play an important role. In the next look, I use a Balmain hair couture accessory to put in a good light the beauty of the dress, but also the beauty of the hair. If you want to wear long hair, natural hair or extension hair, you have to be yourself, you have to be very creative and original. And a good option for that is to choose a hair accessory. I just create an example for you to see what I'm talking about.
Trouble in your mind? Are you doing this just to test me? I'm bad at handling this type of thing. Why I don't get it, you say it's a man thing. Babe, I wanna be around. I just wanna make your heart sing. You're not letting me.
Leave me a comment with your opinion how you prefer to use Balmain hair couture clip. And if you like, don't forget to subscribe. The next look is a bridal look. It's a Natalia Vasiliev gorgeous bridal dress. What I want to show you how to change a normal hair look into a bridal hair look only with the simple hair accessory. You can make a switch from normal hair look to a bridal hair look only with a simple hair accessory. You just need to be creative. I just want to show you a video with an example that can inspire you. your opinion about this kind of dress. So what kind of accessory you will choose for this dress? If you like, just don't forget to subscribe. And in the last look, we have again a bridal outfit. Again, I want to show you how you can switch from a normal look to a bridal elegant look only with a simple accessory. In this look, I decided to be very creative, to give a lot of freedom. Let's see what I'm talking about. Let me comment with your opinion. What kind of accessory you will choose for this hair look? If you like, please don't forget to subscribe. The designer was Natalia Vasiliev and the makeup was created by Mona Vidu. See you in the next episode with new looks that can inspire you for your events.